Hi, it's Chris. And many people ask me, what are the normal steps in getting a home ready for sale in the event of an estate or probate situation? Well, the first thing that you want to do is declutter the home. Whether you're a homeowner or handling an estate, the process flow that we talk about today is going to be the same. And the first step is decluttering. We need the home as decluttered as possible because many belongings act as a distraction for buyers and stop the visualization process as they go through the home. After we've decluttered, it is best to get a home inspection, and we have a home inspector come in and take a look at the home and do a thorough home inspection just as a buyer's agent would. See, a home inspection is normally going to occur when we get under contract, and it's the easiest avenue of exit. So it's best for us to get an idea of what we're going to see in an inspection so that we can make the decision as to what we're going to repair or replace ahead of time. We want to avert a buyer becoming nervous and exiting the contract. When that happens, it leaves us with the tasks of remarketing the property and having to address suspicious buyers, suspicious buyer agents who are all leery about the home as a previous contract fell through. Now, after that's done, we want to have the necessary repairs made to the home, and we want to paint the interior and the exterior of the home. On the interior, we want to use neutral colors or colors that complement the natural lighting of the home, and we're going to want to paint the trim white and have a freshly painted ceiling as well. Thirdly, I should say, we want to address the floor. We want to perform any flooring refinishing, updates, or carpet installation where needed to give a property a fresh look. Carpet could be an easy fix as it's economical, easier than tile and hardwood to install, and comes in many different colors. See, today's buyers really want turnkey properties. So lastly, we want to make sure that we have the property cleaned prior to going live in the marketplace. And most importantly, we want to use someone that will also clean the interior and exterior of the windows. Prior to the windows being cleaned, we're going to want to remove the screens and store them on the property, and we will leave the screens off while the property is being marketed. I have the resources to help you with any of these steps, and while it might seem like a lot, homes are generally the largest asset a person owns, and a little preparation goes a long way in getting your home sold with less hassles during the transaction. And I know this firsthand because while you may not do this every day, I do. And so what I want you to do is be able to reach out with any questions that you might have, and you can always get me at 571-228-4159 via voice or text. Thanks, and have a great day.